in 2011. Long time, isn't it?
Yes.
Long time to wait to get back to that top world stage. And our cricket has not been in the best of places, in the best of shape. In fact, the intervening period between the rain really started beating us when? 2015.
Yes.
Yeah. From around 2015, things really went downwards. I was here at these grounds last as Minister for Sports in 2012. Yes, I came to visit our team here. And that was really the last time when our cricket was somewhere. There's no other place to go.
Lazima kuna mjaka hapa ameniambukiza.
Well, and all is well.
Yes.
Sawa sawa? Mubarikiwe sana.